If you wish to delete a photo from the photo app on your iPhone, press and hold the photo, hit delete, and hit delete photo. It will be deleted in 30 days. If you want to delete multiple pictures, you can hit select, drag your finger to the selected photo you want to delete, and press the trash bin right here at the lower right corner. Hit delete 9 pictures. There you go. They are deleted. Now, if you want to delete them permanently, you can go into collection. You will find recently deleted at the very bottom here. Use your face. Then from here, you can press select, the 3 dots, and delete all. And from there, delete from this iPhone. They are now permanently deleted. I hope this was helpful.